in this video of SEO course. Today we will learn an important activity in off-page SEO. It is Q&A, question and answer submission. Now we have the world's best platform, which is very famous platform for Q&A, and it's used by professionals, that is Quora. Actually, within off-page SEO, I have practically taught you many activities until now. Whether it is classified submission or profile submission, business listing, article, blog, and a lot more. Similarly, but how you will work on Quora, I don't want to teach you that practically in a very simple way, because this is a process. I mean, it is a method. Okay, for that you should have a little bit of knowledge regarding that. You should have your account on it and you have to be active on it. Okay, you will have to understand that how you can use this powerful platform, and you will also get backlinks from it, and your network will also grow. So for that, you wouldn't even believe that within such a large SEO course that we've brought for you, you are practically learning an SEO course with EI. In that same course, I'm telling about the entire course of Quora. I am providing the link and showing you how to do it. And for this, friends, you simply need to first learn about Quora, and also you will have to create an account. So you need to be active on that platform, learn how to use Quora and interact with people, create backlinks, and how to make followers, increase your reach, build your network. Also, if in future you want to run ads on Quora, you can learn that as well. As you can see on the screen right now, you just need to go to YouTube and type Quora course by Marketing Fundas. After writing here, you will directly get my complete course of Quora, which is of 3.5 hours, and where you'll learn basic details like from creating an account on Quora and how you have to stay active and interact with people, how to do Q&A, how you have to increase followers, grow on an organic level, run paid ads. You can learn everything. It's up to you whether you want to create a Quora account and how you want to work on it, stay active and create backlinks. If you only want to learn that, you can learn that much, and if you want to learn more, you can do that. But once you have learned these things well and you have mastered it, after that, you can create as many quality backlinks as you want, and you will gain good knowledge of the platform, which will give you immense benefit. So I am not directly teaching you how to do Q&A submissions on Quora. I want you to do Q&A properly. So for that, I want you to use this platform and learn this course. It's free, there are no charges involved. And people, those are interested and intelligent, will learn this course within a day, because this course is very easy. Okay, so friends, once you learn this, then you can do Q&A and also increase your followers, and simultaneously you can create backlinks, which will be very easy for you. I hope this video will be very useful for you and you have found a new course to learn within it, so you will definitely learn. Thank you.